See, basically livestock productivity means it will vary from species to species. If you talk in terms of cows or in terms of buffaloes, it will be the production of milk per day per animal. That is called as the productivity.
Okay.
If you talk in terms of meat or meat, sheep and goat and poultry, that will be the body, whatever meat they are producing. So that can be called as productivity.
Okay.
But mainly in livestock, we are concerned with the productivity of dairy animals, and that is milk production per day per animal. But now it is, if you talk of dairy animals, it is very, very low. If you see the number of animals in the country, it is the biggest in the world,
Okay.
If we talk of numbers, absolute numbers. But the productivity, if you say, it is very, very low. Even if you, right now, if you see the statistics, you will see that the milk production or the productivity of milk of cows in Indian situation is hardly about 400 liters or so.
400 liters per year?
Per year, yeah. And in case of buffaloes, it may go to the tune of around 600 liters per year, which is very, very low in comparison to other, Western or developed countries.
How much is it in Western countries?
Well, it varies something like in case of US, it is on an average around 8,000 liters per year.
Per cow?
Per cow, yeah.
And for buffalo?
Buffaloes in US and other Western countries, they don't have buffaloes, no?
Okay.
Buffaloes are only restricted to South Asian countries.
Okay. So 400 to 8,000, that is the amount of variation, is it?
Exactly.
But do they eat more fodder and all that sort of stuff?
See, but basically the thing is, for maintenance, all the animals, they require more or less the same quantity of feed for body maintenance. Only thing which varies for the production. Yeah, so definitely if an animal is producing higher quantities of milk, it will definitely require more feed and fodder.
They consume?
No, not 20. But see, the thumb rule is that for every 2.5 liters of milk, we require 1 kilogram of concentrate.
Okay.
That is the cattle feed,
Okay.
So for every 2.5 liters of milk, it is 1 kilogram of concentrate. And the remaining is green fodder and some dry fodder. So that is the thumb rule.
So
to that level, because even if the genetic potential is there, the genetic potential will not be expressed in terms of milk because of the genotype environment interaction.
Okay.
In Western countries, the environmental conditions are very conducive. Round the year, the temperature will not rise more than 25 or 26 degrees Celsius. All the year round, they will have very good quality green fodder available. The healthcare condition and management conditions are very positive. So those kind of conditions are not existing in our country, tropical or semi-tropical conditions.
So after the cow gives birth, it gives milk, isn't it?
Yeah.
How many months it gives milk after it gives birth?
Around 10 months. It is said that standard it is 10 months. If you have a crossbred cow or a good producing cow, it will give milk for a period of about 10 months. But in Indian situations, our nondescript local cows, they give milk hardly for about 150 to 200 days. Yeah. Otherwise, the standard observed is for 300 days it should give milk.
And how many times do they give birth in a lifetime? How many years do the cows live?
Well, on an average, if the feeding management and healthcare conditions are good, the cows on an average they can live say about 12-13 years. Okay. And after 1.5 years.
So no, but first few years they have to grow up to become adult cows.
Yeah. So that is that in case of our indigenous cows, it takes around 4 years age to reach to the production stage, and then every 15 months or so they give birth to a calf.
Okay.
So if you take 12 years of life into consideration.
So 4 years minus you have to subtract.
Yeah, minus 12 years, it is 8 years. And out of these 8 years, they will give birth to calves
5 times.
5 to 6 times. Yeah.
And so 5 into around 200 days.
Yeah.
But actually they can give up till 10 months also. So it is 50 months actually. 6 years they can give out of 12 years.
Yeah, but then that should be that kind of genetic potential should be available, and at the same time good feeding management and healthcare conditions should be available.
What is the maximum productivity seen for an Indian cow, which is a well-bred, crossbred cow in India?
Yeah, we have seen that good crossbred cows, maximum they can even go up to 40-45 liters of milk
45 liters
per day.
per day.
Yeah,
And
that lasts to about around that 45 liters maximum it will be, but if you calculate on an average, it will be to the tune of about something like 30-32 liters on an average for a period of 300 days.
for a period of
So your best cow in Indian situation, if properly taken care, she can give around 7,000 to 8,000 liters of milk in her lactation period of 300 days.
how many, what proportion of India's milk producing animals are cows and how many are buffaloes?
Well, about 54 to 55% are buffaloes and about 43-44% are cows.
No, but we cannot crossbreed, but buffaloes we cannot crossbreed anyway, isn't it?
No, crossbreed, we can upgrade them because, as I was telling you, that the buffaloes are only available in Southeast Asian countries, and that too the best breed of buffalo is available in India only. That is Murrah or, Mehsana or Badavari or Jafrabadi. These are the 3-4 very good buffalo breeds which are available in our India.
So what is the productivity of the best bred buffalo cows in best conditions?
Under best conditions, it will be to the tune of around 25 liters per day.
So that also comes to 6,000 liters on an average.
Yeah, but then buffaloes don't give milk for 300 days. They give around 260, 270 days. So it